Vespasian was the fourth and last of the year of the four emperors, as well as the first of the Flavian dynasty. He seized power with support of the Eastern legions in opposition to Vitellius. He is remembered for his fiscal reforms, political stabilization, and building program. He would lead the Legio II Augusta and conquer Britain in 43 and quell a rebellion in Judea in 66. After Vitellius became emperor in April 69, the Roman legions in Egypt, Judea, and Syria would declare Vespasian as the emperor. On December 20th, 69, the Senate would formally declare Vespasian emperor. His most famous building project would be the Flavian Amphitheater, today known simply as the Roman Colosseum. Through his general Agricola, Vespasian increased imperial expansion in Britain. Titus, the eldest son of Vespasian. Prior to becoming emperor, Titus would serve under his father in Judea and conclude putting down the revolt on his own after his father had gone to stake his claim on the empire. After besieging Jerusalem, he would destroy the city in its entirety. This achievement was awarded with a triumph, and the Arch of Titus would be built. His rule in Rome would be marked with controversy when it came to personal affairs, as he had been in a relationship with the Judean king Agrippa, the second Herod's sister Berenice, for several years. Agrippa II would be given the rank of praetor. Despite this, he was judged to have been a great ruler and good emperor by Suetonius and other contemporary historians. After barely 2 years in office, Titus died of a fever on the 13th of September 81. He was deified by the Roman Senate and succeeded by his younger brother Domitian. Domitian, third and last of the Flavian dynasty, brother of Titus and son of Vespasian. He is described as a ruthless but efficient autocrat. His authoritarian style of ruling put him at sharp odds with the Senate, whose powers he drastically curtailed. After his elder brother's death, he would be declared emperor by the Praetorian Guard. His reign, being the longest since Tiberius, would allow him the time to strengthen the economy through currency manipulation, territorial expansion and consolidation, and massive building projects to restore the damaged city of Rome. He would attempt to conquer both Caledonia and Dacia, but would find himself unable to deal a decisive blow against the barbarians. By his will, he would establish strong moral law, leading him to be loved by the people and legions, but despised by the Roman Senate. He would be assassinated by court officials. His name would be condemned by the Senate, with Tacitus, Pliny the Younger, and Suetonius labeling him as a cruel and paranoid tyrant. Modern historians view him as ruthless statesman who ushered in a peaceful 2nd century.